This is Mahesh. Now we are going to continue the examples of time and work. Let's get started. The first question is, A, B and C can do a work together in 10 days. The three together work for 4 days, then A left the work and B and C finished the remaining work in 10 days. In how many days will A alone do the work? The question is, A, B, C, if all the three together work means the days, number of days taken to finish the job is 10 days. They have started, all the three have started and worked for 4 days. 4 days they are working together. After 4 days, A left the work and B and C finished the remaining work in 10 days. So, after 4 days, 6 days of 3 persons work will be there. That is finished by B and C alone in 10 days. That is what given. In how many days will A alone do the work? If the question is to find out about B, C, A, we have to find out in the same way. First of all, we have to take the LCM for the remaining part. The thing is, first take it down. If A, B, C work together means A plus B plus C, all the three work together means 10 days. It will take 10 days. After 4 days, they are working together. After 4 days, the remaining work for A plus B plus C is 6 days. Am I right? 4 days work will be finished in 4 days and then remaining A plus B plus C work for 6 days is remaining. Now this work is finished by B plus C in 10 days. So we have these values. We have A plus B plus C is 6 days and B plus C is 10 days. Now we have to find out what is the total part of the work. Total part of the work is nothing but LCM of the numbers present here. What is the LCM number present here? 10, 6, 10. There are 3 numbers. So LCM of 10 and 6 will be the thing. What is the LCM? 10, 6. So take the common one. 2, 5, 3. Is there any common? No. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30. 30 is the LCM. LCM is nothing but here in this case LCM for the remaining work, 6 days work. LCM of 6 days work is 30. 6 days work 30. So total 10 days work means that is the total part of the work. 10 days work, 6 days is 30 means 6 into 5. So 10 into 5, 50. Total work is 50. You have to finish 50 work to finish the whole work. Here only the remaining work. From this we could find out A, B, C value. So A plus B plus C can finish 6 days. 30 work in 6 days, which means each day they will do 5. A plus B plus C. And B plus C could finish the remaining 30 work in 10 days. Each day they will do 3. From this, using these two, A plus B plus C is 5, B plus C is 3. What is A? You could find, no. What is A here? So A is A plus B plus C minus B plus C will give you. So A plus B plus C is 5 work a day. This is per day work I am talking about. 5 minus B plus C is 3 work. Then automatically you will get A's work. A can do 2 pieces of work per day. So done. We got the value. A can do 2 in a day. The total work to be finished is 50, the whole work. The remaining work alone, if A are doing means 30 work should be finished. The total work, the whole work should be finished means totally 50 should be finished. So A can do 2 per day. 50 work in, so 50 work in how many days? Is equal 25 days. A will do 50 work in 25 days. Okay? Done. That's it. This is the question to find A's work alone do the work. The whole work is the question. If A's work to finish the remaining work, if B and C left after 4 days means how many days A will take to finish the work? If the question is like that, then you have to calculate the value for 30. A's work is 2 per day and 30 work will be finished in 15 days. 30 by 2, 15 days. So the remaining work alone, A will finish in 15 days. The whole work, 50 work, will be finished in 25 days. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is A can do a piece of work in 90 days, B in 40 days, and C in 12 days. They work turn by turn. Only A works on the first day, and only B works on the second day, and on the third day only C works. And then only A works again, and so on. What is the total time taken to finish the work? So they have given A, B, C alone will finish in certain number of days. If they are working in a project, not together, but together in a different manner. On the first day A works, on the second day B works, on the third day C works, on the fourth day again A works. This is the repeated turn by turn work. Means how many days it will take to finish the whole work is the question here. First thing what you have to do, always take LCM. LCM of the given numbers. What are the numbers given here? 90, 40 and 12. What is the first common between these two? I am taking 2 outside. So 2 means 45 here, 20 here and 6 here. What is the common thing between these 3 now? So all the 3 there is no common. I am taking only for 2. 3, if you take 3, 15 times of 3, 20 will come the same because which is not divisible by 3. Here 2 times. Now I am taking 5 outside. Taking 5, 3 times and then 4 times, 2 times. I can take 2 now, 2 which means 3 and then 2 and then 1. So hereafter there is no common thing between all the 3 or at least 2. So this is the LCM. LCM is equal 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 3, 180, 180 into 2, 360. So LCM is 360, which is nothing but total part of the work should be finished is 360. A alone can do. So A's work. So A's work is so 360 in 90 days. So which means cancelling this you will get 4 per day. A will do 4 per day. B's work. So 360 in 40 days. So cancelling this 9 per day. So B will do 9 per day. C's work. C's work is 360 by 12 days. So cancelling this 3 times, 30 days, 30 per day. So C is doing 30 per day. So together, all the 3 together, which means the question is not together. On the first day, so take it on the first day. So A alone works. On the second day, B alone works. On the third day, C alone works. So total 43 work will be finished after every 3 days. 43 work will be finished after every 3 days. Am I right? Okay. How many times of 43 is there in 320? We know minimum 7 or 8 times. So totally 9 times of 40 is 360. So that 9 I cannot take 9. So 8 times will be there. So 8 times of 43 is, so 8 times of 43. 8 into 40, 1, what is that? 8 into 40, 320 plus 8 into 3, 24, 344. Work will be finished in 3 into 8 days, which is nothing but 24 days. In 24 days, totally 344 work will be finished. Because after that, I cannot take the next one. Because the next one will give you more than 360. Because we have only total of 360 works. So 344 will be finished after 24 days. Why we are multiplying 3 into 8? Because 8 times of 43 is 344. Here 3 days once only the 43 work will be finished. So 3 days into 8 times 24 days. On the 25th day, another 4 will be finished. 25th day. another 4 will be finished. So answer is 348 work will be finished on 25th day. On 26th day, the work will be another 9 work will be finished. From adding this, you will get 357 work will be finished. On 27th day, you have to finish the remaining work. Remaining 3 work is there, will be done 30 per day. So on the day 30 work will be finished. So 1 by 10th of the work, 1 by 10th of the day will be there. So totally 26 days, and the what is the remaining work? Remaining 3 by 30. So 1 by 10 days is what required. Total work will be finished after 26 1 by 10 days, which is nothing but 3 by 10, which is nothing but 1 by 10 days. Not the whole day will be, the remaining work is 3. When you finish the 360 will come. So 3 by 30 is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 day is required. Okay, not the whole day required, 1 by 10 day. So 26 1 by 10 days is the answer here. Okay, we'll revise it again. Day 1, day 2, day 3, all the 3 are doing in separate days. After every 3 days 43 work will be finished. So how many times of 43 is there in 360? 8 times of 43 is there. 8 times of 43 is 344. 9 times if you go, it will go more than 360, because we have only 360 work. So 8 times of 43, 344. So that will be finished in 24 days. 25th day 4 work will be finished by A. So 348 will be over. 26th day 9 work will be done by B. So 357. On 27th day C will do the remaining 3 work in 1 by 10 days. So totally 26 1 by 10 days will be required to finish the work. Okay, next question and final question. So Vijay and Bala can do a piece of work in 18 days, Bala and Charan in 12 days, and Vijay and Charan in 15 days. How long will they take to complete the work if they work together? So Vijay and Bala, Vijay plus Bala takes 18 days, and Bala plus Charan takes 12 days, and Vijay plus Charan takes 15 days. So obviously we have 3 values, we have to find the LCM of these 3 values. What is the LCM of these 3? So you have to calculate 18, 12, 15. So 3 common, so you can take 6 4 times and 5 times. You can take 2 again. So 3, 2 and 5. Is there any common? No. So you just multiply. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 2, 36, 36 into 5, 180. So LCM is 180. So which is nothing but that is the total part of the work. 180 by done by Vijay plus Bala in 18 days. So which means per day they will do 10 per day. They will do 10 work per day. Bala and Sharan will do 180 work in 12 days. So which means 15 per day. They are doing 15 per day together. So and then Vijay plus Charan will do 180 work in 15 days. So cancelling this, how many times of 15 is there? 12 times. 12 per day they together. If Vijay, Bala or Chandru, Charan all together means, so if you add all these, you will get 2 times of Vijay plus Bala plus Charan, which is equal to 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37. 37 in per day. If they all work together, so 25 plus 12, 37 per day. Which means if you take Vijay, Bala and Charan alone, Vijay, Bala and Charan alone, 37 by 2 is equal to 17.5. You can keep 37 by 2 itself. 30.7 per 2 per day. Which means the what is the total work? How long will they take to complete the work if they work together? That is the question. So work together means 180 divided by 37 by 2. That 2 will go in the numerator. 360 by 37. How many times of 37 is there in 360? Definitely 9 times, because 10 times of 37 is 370. So I will keep 9 times of 37 is what? 9 times of 37 is 33, right? 333. Am I right? So 333 means what is the remaining there? 30. Remaining 27 by 37 days. Okay, that's all the number of days taken by all the three together. That's all.